Part 1. Visualization. In this sacred moment, I want you to begin visualizing your dream life. Imagine it vividly, in full color, as if it's already happening. See yourself living the life you've always desired. What does your perfect day look like? Picture where you wake up. Maybe it's a beautiful home surrounded by nature, or perhaps a bustling city apartment with a stunning view. Notice every detail, the sounds, the colors, the textures. Now, imagine your success, whatever that means to you. See yourself achieving your goals with ease. Perhaps you're running a successful business, traveling the world, or creating meaningful change in the lives of others. Feel it. Feel the excitement, the joy, the fulfillment. The more you connect with these emotions, the more you attract this reality into your life. Part 2. Affirmations for Abundance. Now that you're immersed in your vision, let's amplify this energy with affirmations. I will say these, and I want you to repeat them in your mind or out loud. Feel their power as if they're already true. Pause briefly between each affirmation. I am worthy of success and abundance. I attract wealth and opportunities effortlessly. My dreams are unfolding before me, and everything I desire is on its way. I am aligned with the energy of infinite possibilities. Every day, in every way, I am getting closer to my highest potential. Part 3. Feeling the fulfillment. Now, go deeper into the feeling of having everything you desire. Imagine yourself smiling, surrounded by everything you've manifested: success, wealth, love, peace. You are standing in the future you've created. Feel the overwhelming sense of gratitude washing over you. Gratitude for your journey, for your growth, and for every step that brought you here. Pause for reflection. As you immerse yourself in this feeling of fulfillment, know that this energy is attracting your dream life even faster. You are a magnet for success, for abundance, for joy. Part 4. Gratitude for the present. Before we close, take a moment to express gratitude for everything you already have. Gratitude is the ultimate key to unlocking more abundance. Repeat after me. I am grateful for the abundance that flows into my life. I am thankful for the opportunities that come my way. I appreciate the growth and lessons that bring me closer to my dreams. Part 5. Returning to the present. Slowly, begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gently stretching your body. Carry the feeling of abundance with you as you go about your day. Know that you are a powerful creator of your reality. Whatever you focus on, whatever you believe, you will attract. Remember, the universe is always listening, always responding to your energy. The more you live in the feeling of your desires already fulfilled, the faster they will manifest into your life. Pause. When you're ready, open your eyes and step into your day with confidence, knowing that you are already on the path to manifesting your dream life. Music fades out. Closing thoughts. Congratulations on completing this meditation. Feel free to return to this practice whenever you need a reminder of your limitless potential. Your dream life is not a distant reality, it's unfolding with every thought, every emotion, and every action you take.